Okay, hi guys, and today we're on Animal Jam, yay. Yeah, ooh, we're home. I'm sure to warn for this if they accept I'm going to die. Isabel, say hi. Isa, say hi. Hello.
What?
Say hi.
I said hi.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Shush.
Shut up.
I'm trying to get a stack with bomb. I want to trade this bunny a bow and arrow, but I don't have one.
Whatty?
Blah, blah.
I'ma trade you.
Okay, hold on. I'm trading somebody else.
Wait, I don't want anything on your trade.
Come on.
Wait, my den.
Hang on. I'm putting rares on my trade.
I'm at my den, baby.
Shush.
Derp.
Derp.
Derp. Burp. Burp.
It says you're in Jamar Township.
Nope. Follow. Just come to my den.
Hang on. My thing is loading.
It says you're in Jamar Township. Dun dun dun.
I'm going.
Derp. 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 Derp.
Your dude looks kind of lame.
Right.
Freedom Wings are coming.
I mean, like, I don't have many guy things.
Well, I look better than you. I got spike.
Well, I can.
And now I got one like that.
I can put my spike on this dude, but it looks stupid.
Trade me from a hot knife heads. I don't want them.
Meep.
Meep. Did you say meep?
Yes.
Meep. Yes.
Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meep, meep. Meep, meep, meep.
Meep, meep, meep.
I mean, like, it's random colors. Meep, meep, meep.
Come on, trade me. I don't want them.
I don't want horn-leg pads. They're ugly.
Well, I don't want them.
They look like poo-poo.
Trade me for the heck of it. I don't want them.
They
They're
look like
blue. I
poo-poo.
want white ones.
Oh, I have to hang up. Bye.
Bye.
It's my grandma, guys. Shut up. Hello? Hello?
Hey there.
Hi, Grandma. I'm recording.
Recording what?
I'm recording a video for YouTube.
Oh, of me?
No, you're not on. I'm on Animal Jam.
Oh, okay. You're recording a video because I can't see you. All I see is your face.
Yeah, because I only did the regular call, not the face cam call.
Okay, so what YouTube video are you recording for? For you?
Yeah, I'm making a new video. It'll be up in a little while.
Okay, but I'm not on it, right? You're just making a video.
You're on it, just only your voice.
Okay. All right. Well, that's what I wanted to find out. What you're going to be doing with my voice.
Okay.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Are you recording
Yes, I'm still recording.
Okay, I will talk to you later. This is your grandma. Hi,
Bye.
YouTube. Bye.
Jesus, my grandma's crazy. Never mind. Okay. She candy crazy. Anyways, okay. So yeah. Ermagerd, Issa just left. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing that. It just sounds really weird. Thanks. What? No, she's probably talking to someone else. Anyways, I have a tiger, which I never, ever use. I'm taking a tag off of my pants. Don't ask why. No, I'm joking. Dinner party, Jordan. Okay. You left. I don't care. Owie. 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 I burned my finger. Each one of y'all. Barfs. Okay. Meow. Meow chicken meow. Meow chicken meow. Meow chicken. Okay, this is too laggy, so I'm going to. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Oh, I'm gonna be an animal that she's never seen before. So she'll be like. I'm gonna trade my pink spike for Issa's spike. What the heck? Get away. Pink spike for Issa's spike. Okay, please accept. It was taking like 2 hours to accept my trade. Seriously. Coral Canyons. Coral Canyons. Alright. So I'm actually going to show you a secret color. So if you go down here with the purple, okay. See my blue? See my purple? You click around this purple. What the heck? It's not working. Please don't tell me they removed the secret color. Ah, yes, they didn't. Oh. Yeah, suckers. That looks awesome. I mean, it's like not white, but it's not blue, but it's like blue, like white blue. Yeah, I just said that. I just made a thing. Okay. I'm just gonna put that on my dear. Okay, there. Spat powder. Of course. No, that. Oh, I need to do this. I'm looking for a certain pattern. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Pink. I'm gonna make my eyes blue. Yeah, I look weird. Yes, weirder than poo-poo. I can do hearts, yeah, it looks cute. I guess. Excuse me, thank me. Okay. Alright. There's nothing to wear on my head. Looks it? Looks okay. That's what I'm gonna trade, guys. Why does it say I'm wearing this? I'm trading those for top hat. That for a different color. That for a rare. That for a really good rare. And that for a good rare. Okay, so let's trade this pack for a different pack. Okay. I'm attacking with the Mario time. Okay. And I got some new clothes today. I just, yeah. I don't feel like telling you a story. What? What did I say? Worn on trade bays and things you cannot buy for it. If there is rare, not needed. What? Oh my god, I want this red one. God, Armageddon. Okay, this video is being way too long. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you later. Bye!